Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and in this video we're going to continue talking about context. And I want to talk about adding on to context. So what's great about this extension is that not only does the functionality that comes with it insanely powerful, but it also is extremely add-on-able. So basically, if you go to Drupal.org and if you search for context, you're going to see a whole lot of modules that work with context to do all sorts of stuff. And by all means, just go through and see it because there's a whole ton. And you can really accomplish some great stuff. So if you're looking for something that changes your site contextually, by all means search for it under context on Drupal.org and you might find it. So to illustrate how useful these can be, I'm actually going to be using an extension called a module called context no title. So context, and you can see I have installed this context no title module, and it's pretty cool because really what it's going to allow us to do is just to say, hey, on this page don't display the title. So that actually could be very useful because maybe on the About page, I don't want this big title that just is about. I just wanted to say, hi, my name is, or hi, I am. So let's get started creating a context. So let's go to Structure, Context, and I can click Add just from this menu, but you can go to Context and click Add yourself, just like we did in the last video. And the name for this is just going to be no about title. And title, I'll just give it a tag of title, removes title from about. Okay, and now for its conditions, I'm going to click path, and again I'm just going to say in the about path, and the reaction is now going to be no title in page. And all I have to do is check this box that says no title on this page, save it. Now let's come to our page and refresh. And there's no more title. It's doing things that you would normally have to, I know in the past, without context, maybe I would have overridden the template for this particular node to just remove the title. And so this allows you to not have to remove and overwrite template files and things like that. You can just do it all within Drupal's interface, which is really nice because it can become very flexible if you're building off paths or off views or whatever, and you don't have to worry about, this is node number 1. This is actually node number 1, so this is, you wouldn't have to worry about editing node template number 1. So this is how awesome context is. You can take this and expand upon it to do even things like just removing the title on the page without having to go into a template file. So this is a really basic example. Go to Drupal.org and search for context and just go through and see all of the context extensions that you can add on and just see how they can do awesome things for you. In the next video, we're going to go over context with Omega and Delta, which is another module used with context and the Omega theme to be able to change completely new themes. So it's awesome. It's pretty cool. So check that out. As always, if you have any questions, hit us up at Twitter, on Facebook. We're always looking to hear from you. Thanks for watching.